In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Microsoft Outlook data. If you want to keep a safe copy of your emails, contacts, calendar items, or other Outlook information, this process is a simple and reliable way to do it. Backing up your Outlook data can be very helpful before switching computers, reinstalling Outlook, or just to make sure you have an extra copy of important information saved for later. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top left area of the window and click File. This will take you to Outlook's main options and account settings area, where you can access import and export tools. From there, click Open and Export. This section gives you options for moving Outlook data in and out of the program. After that, click Import Export. When you do this, the Import and Export wizard will open in a new window. This wizard is what Outlook uses to guide you through the backup process step by step. In the list of available actions, select Export to a file. This option lets you create a file containing your Outlook data so you can store it as a backup. Once that option is selected, click Next to continue. On the next screen, choose Outlook Data File. This is the format Outlook uses to save mailbox data in a way that can later be imported back into Outlook if needed. After selecting Outlook Data File, click Next again. Now you'll be asked to choose the folder you want to back up. This part is important because the folder you select determines what data will be included in the backup file. Depending on your needs, you may want to choose a main mailbox folder or a specific folder that contains the items you want to save. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct location. Once you've selected the folder, simply follow the prompts on your screen to complete the export. Outlook will guide you through the remaining options, including where to save the backup file on your computer. It's a good idea to save the file somewhere easy to find, such as your desktop or a dedicated backup folder, so you can access it later if needed. After the export finishes, your Outlook data backup will be created and ready to use whenever you need it. That's all there is to it, and now you know how to back up Microsoft Outlook data.